Another angle on this JFF Hallgrimsson swapping the Republic of Ireland for Jamaica. You heard my take already. Hallgrimsson walked out on us in the middle of the World Cup campaign to join another national team. But of course, the JFF must take some of the blame, if not for hiring him in the first place by misreading his level of commitment to the cause, for not better informing and preparing Coach Hallgrimsson for the several unorthodox challenges he would encounter as coach of Jamaica. And we do understand that things got to a point where the coach wanted to go and the JFF wanted him to go. But even in that scenario, the JFF must be blamed again for allowing the situation to disintegrate to the point where the coach would walk away in the middle of his contract. So with enough blame to go around for the disrespectful coach and the dysfunctional JFF, you know that the 2026 World Cup dream could well be turning into another nightmare.